Hello, all my blessed natural angels. Welcome back to my channel. Today, RaeNatural is looking very busted, but this is for demonstration purposes to show you all this amazing, cheap, very inexpensive leave-in that I make for my hair using aloe vera and one other ingredient. So, this is not clickbait. I will be showing you all how I mix this leave-in together real quick, but I did want to show you just how it adds moisture back into my hair. This video, I have a week-old braid out in my hair, and as you saw when I first took off my little scarf, it was very stiff and movement was very limited. But just with a couple sprays of this leave-in conditioner that I swear by, life and moisture is welcomed back into my hair. So as you can see, I just spray it all over my hair. My curls begin to loosen up, and it's better than just water because frizz is not the only thing that I get out of this leave-in. You know anything about aloe vera? It has very nutritious properties as well as enzymes that help protect and moisturize every hair strand in your head. So if you want to know how I make this leave-in, keep watching, angels. Getting right into it, I have my fresh organic aloe gel straight from the plant. If you want to know how I harvest my aloe vera, I will link a video that shows how I harvest my organic aloe so you can get this in your cup like I have it. Don't mind those little green particles that got into it. It's all organic, so yes, we will be using that. So in the cup, I had about 1/3 cup of aloe. And that other ingredient is just water, spring water, 100% natural spring water. If you can drink it, it's good for your hair. And I add a 1/2 cup of spring water to my 1/3 cup of aloe. But then I realized that I did not have enough water for the consistency that I like my leave-in. So I go ahead and add another 1/4 cup of spring water to this mix. And then I go ahead and I'm going to blend it all up. So just adding a blade here. And I'm going to blend until all those green particles that got into my aloe are all dissolved and blended finely, so there are no chunks in my hair. So I blend for, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes. And I just keep going until I don't see any more leafy particles at all. You're going to get a nice, like, smooth green mixture from this. So you can put it into a spray bottle that does not even have a filter, and you won't have to worry about particles getting into your hair. If I can get this off. Oh, there it goes. So yeah, this is the consistency that I like my leave-in. Just mostly water, as you can tell. But aloe itself is mostly water, but the little particles, the little nutrients that it does have, I mean, the jam-packed nutrients that it do have are all I really need for my hair as far as a leave-in. So, as you can see, it's nice and green, smooth, no chunks. Okay, so as far as storing my aloe, one thing my aloe juice, excuse me. One thing you want to keep in mind, this can spoil, so you might want to keep it refrigerated. But I'm just using a peroxide bottle that I cleaned. And I would usually use this jar to store the excess, but I think I have about exactly 1 cup of aloe juice, which fits perfectly into this peroxide bottle. And like I mentioned before, you do not need a filtered spray bottle because you blended this mix so finely that you will not have any chunks in your hair. But yes, ladies, angels, this is how I make my aloe vera leave-in conditioner. No, I do not add oil to it since I add oil to my hair separately, but you can add essential oil of your choice if you deem necessary. But yes, thanks for watching. Bye.